How to make crumpets on Toca Boca World. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to make crumpets on Toca Boca World. Making crumpets on Toca Boca World is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Explore different locations. Crumpets can often be found or created in various locations like junkyard, house, shopping mall and other unique spots. Combined item in Toca Boca World, specific combination of item can create crumpet. Drag and drop item into each other to see if they combine to form a crumpet. Some locations have secret areas or special item needed for creating crumpets. Example of crumpet recipe. Here are a few known crumpet combination. Robo crumpet. Combine a robot head with an item like battery or electronics. Plant crumpet. Combine a plant with a watering can. Food crumpet. Combine food item like bread or fruit together. And these are some examples to create crumpet. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.